Liza
One
Lucas
test?
talks to experts and verifies
Three.
source.
It's a claim that's resurfaced online. Social media posts suggesting viruses always weaken as they mutate, and that we should expect the same from COVID-19. But is that true? Let's verify. Our sources include the World Health Organization, Dr. Ted Ross with the University of Georgia, and state epidemiologist Dr. Sherry Drinzek.
When a virus enters a human cell, they replicate themselves. And when they do that, they have a tendency over time to make mistakes.
Those mistakes or mutations refer to a change in a virus's genetic code. They happen frequently. Most mutations are tiny and insignificant. Some new combinations don't even work, causing the virus to weaken and strains to die out.
In general, viruses tend to not want to kill their hosts before they transmit to the next person. So there is adaptations that occur to make it more humanized.
But experts say that sometimes mutations can make the virus better at spreading or better at causing disease.
The general blanket statement that they always adapt and mutate, and therefore if they mutate, they become less pathogenic is not correct.
So the claim that viruses always weaken as they mutate, that's false. Factors like vaccines can also impact how a virus evolves.
Even if we cannot predict what variant is next, I can predict that our immune systems are really smart.
Unveiled its latest survey of members' opinions on key issues facing public education. The association represents roughly 3 million educators across the country. The survey found 55% of educators indicate they are ready to leave the profession earlier than planned. The number one reason for teachers wanting to leave? Pay.
We still have educators who are working 2 and 3 jobs, and with the increased workload at school, it's just too much for them to bear. We have teachers living in their cars, support staff whose families are living below the poverty level, so we have to increase pay.
Becky Pringle, the president of the National Education Association, says white educator shortages predate the pandemic, which has in fact only made it worse.
With that, we want to get a check of the forecast right now with meteorologist Brittany Van Voorhees. Brittany, I wish we could keep